Korean grammar day 4. E ga subject particle. E and ga marks the subject of a sentence. The thing or person that does the action or is something. Here are some examples.
비가 와요. Rain is coming. 고양이가 있어요. There is a cat. 사람이 많아요. There are many people. 친구가 와요. A friend is coming. 문제가 있어요. There is a problem. 시간이 없어요. There is no time. 버스가 와요. The bus is coming. 소리가 커요. The sound is loud. 아이가 울어요. A child is crying. 와요 coming. 고양이 cat. 있어요. There is. 사람 person. 많아요. Many. 친구 friend. 문제 problem. 시간 time. 없어요 does not exist. 소리 sound. 커요 loud. I child. 우려요 crying.